What's up, guys? Welcome to a new live session. It's been a while that I've been live on YouTube. It's the holy month, Ramadan. I'm not a Muslim, but I do like to challenge myself. So I've been fasting from day one. I've been doing this for a few years right now, so I pretty much like it. It's a month to focus on yourself and pretty much come back to the basics and be more in tune with yourself and doing what you like and basically not be too much controlled by things that are really not important. So back to basics. So we're now at maybe day 5 or 6. I'm not really on point with the dates, but I do like it. So with that being said, today I have a live session for y'all, and what you see in front of you is the Bitcoin chart, and we at the price of 43,514. And as you can see, Bitcoin has been rejected at the price level of 47,000. I thought that we could have reached the 51 level, but it been rejected. We didn't even reach the 51 level, so it's a confirmation for me that we still have unfinished business downstairs. So with that being said, I do think that Bitcoin can go lower. I made a cross right here around the 37 levels. What you have been seeing is that Bitcoin has been hovering between these two white lines, and it's been making I can say that a step is a leg up. So it looks like a bear flag, and the previous momentum back in June of 2021, you have seen that the move that Bitcoin was making was going down, and that resulted in a spike up. And now you're seeing that the momentum is going up, and that could result in a spike down. So I made a blue mark here for the expectation, what I think that Bitcoin is going to do in the next few weeks. And so my name is JoopvdClips, aka Macaroni with the Cheese. Every day I make YouTube video. And if you've been following me on my YouTube channel and on my socials, you've pretty much been making some money because it's been going good for me. So with that being said, let's go to the overall stock market, because I also trade in stocks. And this the Nasdaq has been rejected at the level of 50,261, and it did pass this marker, but as I have told you in my previous video, I do think that the stock market is going down. We're gonna have a very big correction in the next few months. So it's still something to look out for. So the S&P, same story. As you can see, there's the COVID prices. It went all down on the 2000, and as you can see, the ladder has been broken back in December 2021. So I do think that we're gonna see some lower levels. The shorts still have not covered their position as of AMC and GME. So we're going down. We're at the price of 156 for GameStop, and yes, it's still going on. These big players still haven't covered their position yet, so the squeeze still can happen. So I have a few subjects that I want to share with you guys, so bear with me. Back to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance is around the 40% levels, and as I've been told you that if it's not going back to the 50%, I'm not very bullish. So we still have to see that Bitcoin dominance can recover and possess the 50% levels. So, but for now, I'm not very bullish. But we still have to wait. So as of Ethereum, the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, that's a pretty good indicator, a pretty good pair to see what the overall market is going to do. as you can see, we're going in a downtrend, and we have reached the 0.06 Bitcoin for each Ethereum, and we're now at 0.07 for Ethereum in comparison to Bitcoin. That's still strong, but we need it stronger. But for me, I'm a very bearish person. I like to research the lower levels. It's more interesting for me to search the lower levels instead of the big plays and the upstairs momentum, the uptrend. So that's what I've been doing. So as of now, there's a few coins that I've been watching, and one of those is Strong. As you have seen in my previous videos, I made a video about the Strong blockchain, about making nodes and earning some passive income. And as you can see, is that the Strong coin has been tanking. It goes down, it went down, it's at the price of $53 per coin. But it's because of the big selling pressure and something new. So basically the whole Strong block is changing. They're basically going to move to the Strong chain. And since yesterday, 2 days ago, they basically changed the whole rewards in the Stronger. So now you need Stronger coin to create a node instead of Strong. So if you have seen my previous videos, you have been noticed that that's what they've been doing. So I'm in the Strong Discord, and this is what they're telling. The upgrade to Strong is now on the way. It's the medium R2 claiming of Strong will be disabled until the upgrade is completed. And since 5 April, the upgrade to Strong is complete. Nodes are now created, rewarded in Stronger. Claiming is now live. So that means every node is gonna pay rewards in Stronger instead of Strong. So they have a new token, and the new token is Stronger, and it's been doing good. But for the Strong, yeah, I think there's a lot of money flowing into Stronger instead of Strong. But that's normal. That's how it should be. So the price of Stronger now is $150, and yeah, so you do need some Stronger now. It's the same amount. You still need 10 Stronger to create some nodes, and I can show you my nodes. Go into the app. So you now have 464,000 nodes that are being rewarded. And they're being rewarded in the Stronger token instead of Strong. We're going to the app. So these are my Strong nodes. I have two of them, and they've been basically making me some passive income. Need to connect my wallet. On the wrong chain. Okay, so these are my two nodes, and they've been making me some Stronger. So when I get back to 10, I will make a third node, and that's how I'll continue. And maybe I can reach to 100 nodes that will making me some good passive income. So that's what's been going on. And the next thing that I want to share with you guys is that the Joop token been tanking lately for the last few days, and that's because, yeah, that's how crypto works. So we have reached all-time high of $22 per Joop token, and we're now at the price of $6.84. I do think that we can reach some lower levels for some Joop, and that will be a big momentum for me to buy, and it could be around this level. So this would be a good price level for me to enter, as it was in the previous month back in March. So I'm pretty bullish about the whole Joop, because I have to change the chain again when I'm going back to. So let me see. Yeah. So this is the DeFi Kingdom game, and I'm now on Crystal Vale, and let's go to the gardens. Let me see how much APY I can earn on. Yeah, so these are the three pools, liquidity pools. First, you have the Crystal Jewel. It earns you 2,989%, and there's a total deposit of 12 million. The Crystal USDC 20 million, and Crystal AVAX 2,721% APR, and total deposit 20. But the one that I'm focusing on is the Joop X Joop liquidity pool token, where you can earn 2,255% APR, and there's a total deposit of 260 million. So this is the one that people are earning, and as you can see is that when the price of Joop is going down, also the APY is going down. So when it's going up, the APY is going up. So now you can see that you earn less crystal when the price is down, and you earn more crystal when the price is going up. So for now, Jules is going down, so that means the APY is going down also. So I pretty much like the whole narrative. I like the game. I like that they're going to their own chain, the DeFi Kingdom chain, the DeFi DFK chain mainnet. So yeah, it's pretty bullish. I like the whole narrative. I like how the developers are working and doing their thing. So yeah, I'm pretty much bullish. So yeah, the other coin that I've been telling about in my previous video is ApeCoin. The ApeCoin is basically the coin of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT community. So the current price is $11, and it's pretty much doing good. I do think that people are basically using this coin, so it means it has a utility. People are buying merchandise with the ApeCoin, and I have seen something on Twitter that they're gonna use ApeCoin for buying Yugo lands. I'm not very familiar, so I do need to do some due diligence about the whole Yugo land, but I have seen it on Twitter. Let me see other coins that I wanna. It could be when I do need some ApeCoin, so if it goes back to the $9 levels, it will be a good entry point. So what are the other coins that I've been watching? Metis is still a good play. It's a layer 2 on top of Ethereum, basically creating some cheap gas fee prices instead of the Ethereum layer 1 blockchain. So as you can see, the next buy opportunity for me would be around the $50. So stay patient, because money is flowing from the impatient to the patient. And I'm pretty much patient. I pretty much wait until the prices come into the price that I want to pay, and not the price that I'm gonna chase. So that's my whole gameplay. That's my narrative, and it's going well. So another coin is Tor. Tor is basically the same as Strong. It's the product they be selling. They basically creating their own nodes. And yeah, you can create your node. You need 10 Tor tokens to create a node, and it has the same structure of Strong. And this is the second node as a service coin that I've been watching. I did not yet created a node, but I like it, so I have to wait until it's at a good price for me to enter. So go do your due diligence on Tor. It's not financial advice. All my YouTube videos and things that I've been sharing with you guys is basically my opinion. You don't have to follow me. I'm just that crazy guy who likes to gamble and play and do whatever. So yeah, CVX is doing good. The Convex token with the whole curve wars, and yeah, we have some good times going ahead of us. So the AnySwap is basically a multi-chain where you can swap any token, any coin that you want, and it had reached the level of $30 per coin. So this is still a good play for me, but I like when it's going down. So as you can see, the next buy opportunity for me would be back around the $10 and maybe even further low back to the $5.86. So I still wait and see. If the price don't hit if the price don't hit those targets, I basically let it fly. So yeah, NFTs. If you guys been following me on my Twitter, my social media, Instagram, etc., you have seen that I'm still bullish on NFTs, and we have seen. Let me see it. So this is basically the NFT chart. As you can see, we had a big peak back in January 2022, so the beginning of the year, and we're now in April. So as you can see, we had a little momentum. So as you can see, we went a little bit up, and we had a price peak back in 2 days ago, where we have reached a price between the 200 and 300 million dollars in volume going back in NFTs, but currently we at 235 million that's going in for volume. So it's a pretty good indicator to know when to buy or sell your NFTs. So it's nftgo.io. I do like this website because it's pretty accurate. So for the last 24 hours, as you can see, we had a big peak at let me see. Yeah, as I said, we had a big peak around the $340 million volume entered the mark, and now we're back at the lower levels. So yeah, one of the NFTs that I want to share with you guys is Genesis. If you have been following me on my Twitter, so basically this is a NFT, very promising. And if you have been following me on my Twitter account, I've been sharing it because there's a lot of rumors if Artifact is gonna buy this NFT. So as you can see, they carved the Nike logo in those NFTs. So people are pretty much they're not sure if Artifact is gonna buy it or not, or Nike, but it could be a possibility. So as you can see, you see the Nike logo being carved in those NFTs. So these are some slow subliminals that can confirm that Nike is pretty much gonna buy the NFT. So the Genesis. So I'm not sure. So don't make me count for this, but it could be a possibility. And so this could be a good play. And I bought at some higher prices because I pretty much FOMO'd in, and the current price is, the floor price is now at 0.59 Ethereum. So this could be a good buy opportunity. So until the 17th of April, so in the next 10 days, the seeds will be stopped. So that means you cannot create your own NFT seed, and there will be a good momentum when the price can go up. So yeah, that's the NFT that I want to share with you guys. Go do your own due diligence, and yeah. So the last thing that I want to share is that the creator of those NFTs is the same creator of Artifact Clone X, and this is basically a side project of him. So that's some bullish news to know. With that being said, I already coming to the end of my video. 90 minutes in, so go follow me on my Twitter. I do share some knowledge about NFTs and the whole stock market. It's something that I really like, so I like to share my knowledge with you guys. Yeah, that's basically it. So go follow me on my Twitter and on my Instagram. As you can see, I shared that in the 2nd of April we had amount of 354 million in the whole Joop and XJoop liquidity pool of DeFi Kingdom. And as I said before, we could basically earn 12.8 crystal if you put some XY Joop and Joop in a liquidity pool, and you can earn APR of 4,731. yeah, so I also share some politics talks. I'm very it's a very interesting field for me about politics, economic, and the whole financial world where we live in the whole situation with the whole monetary policy. And yeah, I do want to share this tweet with y'all. The world is on the blame Putin bandwagon. The Biden administration wants oil and gas companies to go bankrupt to attack climate change. Since Biden is the real reason of the inflation and high oil and gas prices, not even mentioning the monetary policy. So this tweet is about what basically happening. The whole world is on the bandwagon that Putin is the big bad wolf. And that's an opinion that I don't share, because the big problem is the Biden administration. And as you can see is that when Biden wins election in November 2020, the oil price was $35, and at that moment you have seen that the oil price peaked. So and the day that Russia invaded Ukraine was the 23rd of February 2022. Yeah, so yeah, to say that Putin is basically the one who creating these oil prices is not accurate. It's incorrect. So this is basically a image that I want to share with you guys. Go do your due diligence and try to control your own narrative and not go on the whole Putin bandwagon, because it's basically not true. Yeah, so that's the last thing that I want to share with you guys. Go follow me on my Twitter account. Go check out some Juice. Go check out some Stronger token and create your own notes. And go check out the whole Genesis art by MGXS. And yeah, and don't forget to watch the whole volume on the NFT game, because it's still crazy. It's still a jungle out there, but you can make your own money, and you have to do your due diligence. So with that being said, this was my live session. I try not to make it very long. And with that being said, hit the subscribe button, drop me some likes, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bang, bang.